Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Kazi Faiz Ahmed Dollar. So today I am welcoming you to my brand new video. So today I am going to teach you that how to upload someone's other's video in your channel. So this is seems to be very negotiable or negative, but sometimes you want to upload others video informative, especially the informative or the sports video into your channel. So that's why the people can easily search out and see your videos. So definitely you have to consider some issues, or you don't want to face a copyright strike or copyright issues into your videos. So today's video is just like that. So if you are new in my channel, so definitely consider subscribing, and if you want to ask anything or know about anything from this video or a related video that's just like video editing, graphic design, animation, motion graphics, blah blah blah, so definitely write down in the comment section. So first you have to download a software called YouTube Studio. So first you have to go the Google Play, then search it here, the YouTube Studio apps. So go to Google Store, then YouTube Studio. So you can also go there from a PC, but I am teaching you how to use it from the Android phone. So I don't know that is this available in iOS, so I don't charge anything. So search it here and then download it. I have already downloaded it. So now I am going to tap on the open, then accept. Basically this is a creator studio apps. So here you can see all the informations of your videos. So tap on the three dot icon. This is called the three dot icon. Then you can also go to the videos button and tap on the videos, and here you can see these are my videos of this channel. So now you can grab one of them, then go to the pencil icon. You can see here all the informations or descriptions here. So you can definitely check it out. Now I am going to the pencil button, tap on that. Then you have to go to the advanced settings. Here you can see the category, license and rights, ownership, audience, blah blah blah. So you can also access the different kinds of elements from here. Now I want to teach you, or I want to show you how you can change the YouTube license from the standard YouTube license to the Creative Commons Attribution. So what does it mean? That means the Creative Commons Attribution means that if you are going to upload, or if you want to upload someone other's videos in your channel or on your channel, so you can also upload it, but you have to mention one thing, that you have to change the license and rights ownership from standard YouTube license to Creative Commons Attribution. That's why you get rid of copyright strike. So go to the Creative Commons Attribution, then save it. So now if someone upload this video, or you can say your video into his or her channel, he or she might not face the issue of copyright strike. So this is the video. I hope this video is very helpful to you, or you can enjoyed this video very much. So if so, then definitely subscribe my channel. If you have any question or query about it, then ask me in the comment section and share this video more and more. So keep crushing it. We will talk soon in the future videos. Thank you.